Hello dear students, I am going to explain you how to manage and customize our table. Okay, how to create table. Go to insert in Apache, open office writer. Okay, go to insert option, indexes, tables and tables. Okay, before that what we will do, we will create a table. Okay, this screen you will see in your book of page number 126 and 127 page number. This is table of content. Okay, now I am going to close it and we will create a table first, then we will do all the work. Now how many columns we need? At least 6 columns. And rows, how many rows we need? We need at least 15 rows, and according to our need we will customize it. Okay, now this is the table. What we will do, we will see indexes and tables. Okay, indexes and tables, and then this screen will appear, and heading type, this type we can select from here, and these are 5 topics we have to understand that it is in 127 page number. Index table. What is index table? Table of content. What we can do here, we can write is Baroda Public School. Okay, here you can see in here also you can see this is the heading type. It will become change, and when I am deleting, you can see here this is also get deleted, and here we will type again SCH or okay, school. Now you can see here is next entries. This is also in 127 page number. Entries, how many entries? I just want to do 8. Okay, now styles. Which type of style? You can see here paragraph style. Okay, table of content style. Now level 8 I will select here, and if we go to edit option, then we can see here the backgrounds. Okay, we can change the background also, and the position, outline and numbering. Borders, we can change the border like this. Now background हो गया. drop cap we can whole word display. Okay, let it go. Tabs, different. Okay, tab, centered, and text flow. Font, we can select here font also. And now indent and spacing, indent and spacing we can change here also. Okay, let it 10 centimeter. And organizer, table of content, next style, table of content, let it go. Link default. Now do okay, and now you can see here is columns. How can we choose it? 2, you can see here 2, it will become change. 3, 2, 2, like this. Okay, now what we can do here, background also we can change the background of the things. Yes. Okay, these are the 5 tabs: index, table, entries, style, column, background. These are the tabs, and this is the way how we can create a table, and how we will do the work on table I will explain you in next video. Okay, for this time Happy Dhanteras and take care, and try to create this type of table with insert option. Okay. Thank you friends, thank you dear students, and enjoy your festival also, but do study for at least 5 to 10 minutes, do revise your things at least 5 to 10 minutes, and you will become very much confident. Good. Thank you.